Hey everyone, want to create approval workflows in ClickUp? In this video, I'll show you how to set up approval processes, manage reviews, and keep projects moving smoothly using ClickUp step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the ClickUp website. Sign in to your account and open your workspace. Next, choose the space folder or list where you want to create your approval workflow. Now define the stages of your approval process. You can create steps like draft review approval needed approved and completed based on your team's workflow. Next, customize your task statuses to match these approval stages. Create tasks for the items that need approval, such as documents, designs, marketing materials, client deliverables, or project requests. Add detailed task descriptions, attachments, checklists, and deadlines so reviewers have all the information they need. Assign tasks to the correct team members or approvers who are responsible for reviewing the work. Next, use comments and mentions to request feedback, ask questions, and communicate changes directly inside the task. Create automations to move tasks forward, notify team members, or update statuses when approval steps are completed. Use custom fields to track approval details such as reviewer name, approval status, revision count, or priority level. Finally, monitor your approval workflow through